Here we are in Playa Car. We're going to go to the bird aviary with Danny and Doug and Jim and Andy and Kristy and Lisa and a whole bunch of others. Here we go. Okay, here we are with the crew at the aviary. They don't know yet that the aviary seems to be closed. So,
hey, you're late. I should have followed you.
well, it's not closed. It's just in the wrong direction. So we're going to go the other way. So here we are at the aviary, waiting for Danny, Kristy, Jim, Lisa, and Andy. And we are. And now,
no birds around your little resort. They're in the lagunas and all these other places, but not. It is a little resort.
Here we are. So here we are at the gate, and Dan is not going with us. What do you have to say, Dan, about not going?
I'm a man of principle. Death to Denmark.
And why aren't you going?
Too much. It's a ripoff. It's more than the Bronx Zoo.
I see. Okay.
No, I agree. It's high season.
High season, Dan.
I'm high already.
There he goes.
Damn you.
He's going off on his own. So here we are at the bird sanctuary, and this is what it looks like. And this is where we're going. Okay, we're going to go in now. And here they are. They're going in, and I'm following them in. And here we are. It's almost like a still shot, but it isn't. They're just very still. They're not going anywhere. They're here in the sanctuary. They're happy. Oh well. Well, happy except for their own social behavior. Little monitor lizard. And here they are taking pictures of more birds. I'm taking pictures of them and they're taking pictures of birds. Well, what do you do? And here's the bird they're taking pictures of. Yeah.
There's two. There's one up there also.
Oh, how sweet.
Yeah.
How sweet. You're in your little tree. And there's another. In his tree. Here we have some more parrots. Yeah. Down here we have some pink flamingos.
I'm just going to start charging this thing up whether I know what needs it or not, because I thought about it the other day.
Here we have wildlife and technical problems. Yo, baby.
Peacock, pheasant, turkey. Maybe it's a mixture. Hello. Hello. They say turkey too. You're of course right, as usual.
Oh my.
It looks like a turkey. Lighting is so much better behind you and they just
Well, here we are in the bird aviary. You can still hear the planes go by because we're right near the airport. They are little planes, but they are noisy. Okay, let's go see what the guys are doing. Okay, they're coming out of the aviary bird thing right now.
Here we are in Tucson Village. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I saw a black one. I saw a white one.
Yeah.
What do you think of that, Andy?
That's nice.
See, honey, look, endangered turkey right there.
Oh, hola.
Hola, birds.
Hola. Hola.
Hola, birds.
Hola. 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 Adios.
Hola.
Adios. Hola. Hola.
They don't have much of a vocabulary, but they're cute.
Off and kissing us.
They're kissing and they're going to hang upside down, is
Well,
that?
they did a minute ago. I don't know if they will again, but look at, they're very fond of each other. Another shot of the waterfall from this side. You getting that? Yeah.
Okay, I'm taking a picture of you guys.
And are you liking? How's my hair look?
You got to look at me here. There you go.
Is this a still?
No, this is a movie, so you can say what you want to say. I can clip it still out of it, though.
Oh, you can?
Still.
Yeah, that may be a good idea. Let me take my glasses off so I don't look
Alright.
Take your glasses off.
I'm not taking mine off. Okay, that's enough.
That's enough.
Okay.
Thank you, Barry.
Okay.
See, now they're hanging upside down.
Not the same pair.
Well, not the same bird?
No.
Oh. Another one came? Another one came?
I think so.
What a floozy.
Well, isn't that just swell?
What's that?
Isn't that just swell?
Well,
And now we're back to where we came in. Back to these starling egrets. And we're about to leave this palatial, lovely little aviary. It was great fun. As I turn, we say goodbye to Jim. And we say goodbye to Kristy and Andy and Lisa. And that's the aviary. Yes, there's a lot of them around.
Oh, their wings have been clipped, or his has.
Oh, I'm sure.
Yeah, his has, definitely. I don't know about these other ones.
Oh, a dead fish.
Yeah, isn't this a lovely place to live? I mean, except for the water, it is, but the water is such nasty. Hate to see them eating out of that. Oh well.
Yeah. Oh well. Oh, isn't that swell?